Gig Geeks, we are talking about day popularity. We've talked about month popularity, week popularity, and now day popularity. Day popularity is looking at all the gigs that you've ever been booked for and looking at which day is the most popular, from 1 being the most popular to 7 being the least popular. So right now, this gig on October 22nd, which is a Thursday, going to Friday the 23rd, it uses Thursday, always the first day of the event, to determine the day popularity. And it says that 14% of the gigs are booked on this day, and it's the 4th day out of 7. Now, if you want to know what the other 3 most popular days are, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday here in Gigalytics will show me that. What is the busiest, what days of the week are the busiest by number of gigs. It actually shows me across all the gigs that I've ever been booked and ever inquired what is the most popular day. And you can see here Thursday is 14% of all gigs, and that's where that number comes from. So I use this because I want to know sometimes if I can probably do 2 gigs in that same week, especially because this week is one of the most popular weeks that I've ever encountered, and it's the most popular month. It's likely that I might get 2 gigs in that exact same week. So if it's on Thursday and Tuesday, I can probably do both gigs with no travel problems at all. It's even possible that I could do Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, knowing that those are the most busy days of the week. I want to try to make sure that I use that information to determine how likely it is I should take this gig at what fee, when I'm looking at all 3 of my available options, meaning month popularity, week popularity, and day popularity. For example, if this was on the 7th of 7 most popular days, which I believe is Saturday, then I would say, hey, I could probably reduce my fee even, because it's very unlikely I'm ever going to be booked for it. And if you have no budget, I still could come and speak because it is my busiest week of the year. I should still charge a good amount for that gig, but I'm using my day information to help inform that. All right, so that's how you use day popularity. If you have any questions about day popularity, let me know, and I'm happy to answer any questions you have. I'm just a chat or a phone call away, and good luck with this gig, guys. Have fun.